Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. I'm so glad you could stop by for another 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Hey, this month we're really focusing on organizing our stamp room and making sure everything has a place. Today I want to talk to you about how you can organize your framelits and your stamp sets together. One of my favorite things I've added to my stamp room, believe it or not, are these magnetic vent covers that you can pick up Home Depot or Lowe's, any kind of hardware store. These magnetic vent covers are 8 by 15, and I cut them down to fit inside a stamp case. Let me show you. So what I did is I took one of the vent covers, and it's 15 inches long, and I cut it down into 3 equal pieces, 5 inches by 7 inches. And let me show you what's going to happen here. This is going to fit oh so nicely in my stamp case. Now to adhere that, you can just add some tear and tape or even some mini glue dots to the back of that magnetic sheet, and you can adhere that to the inside of the stamp case. I can now come in and I can add all of my matching thinlits or framelits that match the stamp set. I can keep those together oh so nicely. Isn't that awesome? So now when you're using the stamp set, no need to go digging around to find your matching thinlits or framelits. They're all right there in the stamp case all together, feeling so happy. I hope that you enjoyed that tip today, guys, and I hope it helps get your stamp room all nice and organized for the new year. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.